So hello guys, welcome back to Backend-Diaries day 6. So let me today teach you how to create a schema and wrap it inside a model. Let's see that. So at first step, install Mongoose. Mongoose is the library which is responsible for creating the schema in the model, or you can say the setting up the database. That's the case. So at first install Mongoose, npm I mongoose. Okay, then inside the code at first we have to require the mongoose. So let's write const mongoose equals to require mongoose. Okay, so we have required the mongoose. Now we have to create the schema. So let me write that const user schema equals to, this is the name of the schema which I'm going to give, equals to mongoose dot schema. And inside this we are going to write everything. This is the first step. Now this is the schema inside which all the data fields will be there. Okay, and then our final step will be to wrap this schema inside the model. That's the case. So how to do that? One thing you can do is const user equals to mongoose dot model. At first name of the model, that will be users. I will be giving users comma and name of the schema which is user schema, and then export you let me give it users only, and then you need to export the users, default users. This is the main case. And the next thing is you can do like this, or you can directly remove this. You can directly remove this and write export before const. That is also applicable here. Now we have, what we did is we imported the mongoose. Using mongoose we created a schema. What is the schema? Schemas are the documents in the database, and that schema we have wrapped inside a model. What is model? The collections in the database. That's the case. Now inside the schema we are going to put the input fields, I mean data fields. Okay, so I have created a schema named user schema, right? So what should be the data? What can be the data? So data can be like username name can be one, and let's define the type can be string, and I want it required to be true. And one more thing I want to do is lowercase to be true. Then another I want is username I have given, then I can take it as email. Okay, email I want type string, what I am writing, type string, then required, this also I want to required, true. Second is again lowercase to be true. That's the case. And last what I want is password, password. These are the data fields. So type will be again string, and just I want required to be true. I don't want to be it lowercase, it can be anything, lowercase, uppercase, anything. After that I want to give it something else which is called a secondary object. I want to give it in the schema which is timestamps. stamps, which I want to give it as true. What is timestamps? It actually stores two datas. One is when it is created and when it is updated, and if I will give it as true, then it will definitely store those data, otherwise by default it is false data. So this is how you actually create a schema and wrap it in the model. That's the all thing, guys. So I hope you like this video and just keep on coding.